Now, we've had team members do a host of courses, and let's provide some updates here because all three of these team members would have completed this training, right? So the HSSE training was completed on May 7th. So let's just go ahead and update all three team members. All right, so Mana's status is set is completed, and then lastly Pat. So I'm gonna say 100% completed on May 7th. Now, for these team members for this specific course, they would have done an assessment because this course is a practical course. They would have had to do a practical assessment, and let's call this the HSSE In Construction practical exam. Now, how do we record this assessment for the team members? So, firstly, if we come here, here is where we can add our assessment result. However, we don't have an assessment yet built out for the HSSE practical exam. So how do we do that? If we go under assessments, you'll see a list of all assessments within Techlify HR, the ones that you would have built out. And here's where we're able to add or update assessments. So let's go ahead and add an assessment, a practical exam. You can add some description. So this is immediately after the training, the practical exam is conducted. And you're also able to specify what's the maximum marks that this a team member can get from this assessment. Can get, yeah, from this assessment. So let's just go ahead and say this is 100. And there you go. That's how we add an assessment. So here you'll see our assessment show up. Now, if we wanted to grade these team members, now let's go back here and let's say for Pat, each of our team members would have taken this assessment, and let's say we wanted to record that score. You're just able to select assessment result. You can find the assessment here. So HSSE. All right. Yeah, okay, I may need to scroll to the bottom. And Pat gained 79 marks. So I'm going to go ahead and save there. Right, there you go. So that's how you add an assessment result to your employees, so you're able to track this information, and now that the course is finished, you have a full complete record of everything that is related to this team member taking this specific course. So basically the training for this team member, if the team member received a certificate, you can record that here. And if there are any notes such as feedback from the instructor, etc., you can go ahead and add that here. So this creates a complete profile and a complete history for this course for this specific team member.